Hello everybody, this is Frankie. Uh, Today, this video, I would like to guide you all how to finish the Excel assignment. I know that this assignment make you feel frustrated. Hope that my video can help all of you can do the assignment properly. Okay, first of all, the sequence first. After you have get the product name of the highest price, median price, and also the lowest price of the product of your product of the shop assigned, I would like to teach you that first one you need to make the product worksheet. Okay, of course the logo and also the store name should be the assigned one. Okay, something like you have done the coach, you have been the um, yeah, yeah, Calvin Klein jeans. Okay, so your shop should be the name of your assigned topic. Okay, for the product code, feel free to create your product code. Is already okay. For the product name, it should be the same as you have seen, you have chosen in the shop. Okay, don't create a new name. And also for the product diagram, you should use the diagram of the product. Sometimes you can take the photo from the shop or you can get from their website. Okay, this is the first 3 steps you need to do in the first page. And what are the 4 steps? Okay, let's see. The 4th step, I think it should be the second page. Is the stock page. Okay, the stock page. Yeah, for the stock page, yeah, you need to do these 3 things. So for the product page, you need to do is these all the things. Okay, and how many products I need you to have at least 3 products. If you would like to have you would like to have more, you can do more, of course. Okay, and for the next step is that for the stock. Yeah, that means when the stock comes, something like you have done the IG shop or the Taobao. Okay, you get some of the products from the manufacturer or the supplier. Okay, so when the product come, when the stock come, you need to write down. You need to type the arrival day of the stocks. Okay, if you don't have the stock, how can you sell to others? Okay, so the stock should become first. Okay, so you write down the days and also the time and the format of how can we write down the day. I would like to tell you later on. And for the product code for this one, you have seen that I asked you to make the pull down menu. Okay, so how can we make the pull down menu, and what's the usage of this one? In fact, for the pull down menu is to select the code from here, from the product worksheet, product code. Okay, no need to type at the very beginning. Got it? Okay, so how can we get the data from here? Okay, let me show you through the Excel. Okay, this is just a sample. Of course, I don't help you to do the assignment. Okay, this is just a sample. Okay, and we have the employee over here. Can you see that? The employee, or the employee. All the employee have the employee ID. And the next page, let's see the next page is over here. Okay, this is the next page. And for the next page here, I would like to get back the people, the employee ID to be the project supervisor. What does it mean? Something like for each project, they have the company have select one of the employee to be the project supervisor. So I need to get the employee ID over this column. Got it? So what can we do? Okay, first of all, I click on the employee. Yeah, and then I select the few items over here. But if we just select few items over here, it's not comprehensive. It's not good. Okay, so I would like to teach you how to highlight all, okay, of the employee. Okay, so the method is that press the control button once again. Yeah, press the yeah, it's too fast. Okay, click on the first one and then press Control Shift. Yeah, Control and Shift together. and then down arrow 2 times. Okay, try this now. Okay, click on the A2 first. Okay, click on the A2 first. Once again, click on the A2 first. Yeah, and then Control Shift. Okay. Yeah, Control Shift. Down arrow 1 time and second time. And it will highlight till the end. Okay. So the method is that Control Shift and then down arrow twice, and then release Control and Shift, so you can highlight all the column except the first one. Okay, and change the name of this over here into something like staff ID. Okay, and press enter. Remember to press enter. Got it? Okay, after you have pressed enter, and go back to the project. Go back to the project. Maybe I'll write down to you. This is Control Shift and then down arrow 2 times. Okay. For down arrow, for the first time, it will highlight the data up to your last row. Okay, but down arrow twice, it will up to the end of the Excel file. Got it? Okay, next. Okay, in the project worksheet, so in each page, once again, we can highlight all of the items of the column C. Okay, use the same method. Okay, so click on the C2, click on the C2. And then we also press Control Shift, down arrow twice. Okay, and it will highlight almost the whole column except C1. Okay, after that, we go to the data over here. Can you see that? And then data validation, and click on this, and then data validation dot again. Okay, over here, yeah, we can allow something. Yeah, we can allow what kind of things? Okay, let's see here. We can allow many things, but this time we allow a list. The list is from what we highlight from the staff ID. So, and for the source, type equal sign first. It should be equal sign, and then yeah, the group name I have helped you to type is a staff ID. Do you still remember? For the employee page, we have highlight almost column A and then change the name into staff ID. And how about the error alert? When someone, okay, so now after you press OK, and you can see that we have the down arrow over here that you can select the employee ID from employee worksheet. Got it? So it's the same idea of what you can select the product code from other worksheets. Got it? Okay, that's all. Okay, what's more? Yeah. The next thing is that yeah, let me think about this. Okay, so go back to the guide. Okay, so for the stock page, okay, you have already done 4, 5, and 6, and next one. Okay, next video.